Today we'll be answering the question, is it safe to live in St. George? My name is Sharee Harris and I'm with Unity Group Real Estate in St. George, Utah. If this is your first time here, you might consider subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss out on weekly updates on real estate and things happening in St. George, Utah. Are you wondering if it's safe to live in St. George? As a mother, that's my first question when moving to a new location. Is it going to be safe for my family? Am I going to worry every time they walk out the door? We had spent a lot of time in St. George on vacation, so I knew the area pretty well, but I wondered, I don't have a local's knowledge. Are there areas of town we should be avoiding that we shouldn't live in? We had lived in an area before where once we lived there, we learned you don't go on the side of town after dark, and this neighborhood completely avoid it. And so I wondered, are there areas like that here in St. George? And now as we've lived here, I've never heard anybody say, avoid this place, don't go here after dark. And I have never felt that fear as I've walked down the streets, been in different neighborhoods, taken my kids to a variety of parks and play dates and such. I've never felt uncomfortable or like this was a scary place that we needed to avoid. You don't see bars on the windows, graffiti on the buildings. We don't have a large homeless population. I looked up some information on bestplaces.net, and they use a crime scale where 1 is low and 100 is high. St. George violent crime is 11.2, compared to the US average, which is 22.7. The St. George property crime is 29.9, and the US average is 35.4. If you're looking for a safe, clean, welcoming community to raise your family, then St. George may be a great option for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your friends, and consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so that you don't miss out on weekly updates about real estate and living in the St. George area. See you soon! Hi, this is Sharee Harris with Unity Group Real Estate in St. George, Utah. I forgot where I lived for a minute. They have a